Okay, here are 2 Carrier Comfort Central Air Conditioning units at a hotel here in Minnesota that we stayed at last night. Here's this one. Currently, neither of these are running right now. See, it's a 2.5 ton from 2021. It's got a cope and scroll compressor. And here's this one. This one also has a cope and scroll compressor. See, it's a 2 ton from 2021, pretty sure. But yeah, these units are located in a Country Inn hotel that we stayed at last night here in Minnesota. Yeah, we're in Minnesota currently right now to visit my brother. This is just a brief trip here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the only units at the building. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video. These 2 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.